Stop scrolling. These animals are the reason you're still alive right now. Part 1. 1. Whales support Earth's oxygen system. Whale movement boosts phytoplankton growth, which produces over half of Earth's oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide. 2. Bees keep global food system alive. Bees pollinate crops like fruits and nuts, supporting 1/3 of the food humans consume daily. 3. Earthworms build fertile soil naturally. They aerate soil, recycle nutrients, and improve crop growth without any chemical fertilizers or machinery. Bats control insects and protect health. Bats eat thousands of insects nightly, reducing pests and preventing diseases like malaria and dengue.